Yeah, hi, this is Sublime, and today I got my projects from sailrite that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be making a foredeck bag for my jib, and it's like a, I don't know, 5 foot, about a 5 foot long box, like about 5 feet tall, and because it has, I opened it, just opened the top of it, so what we got inside is instructions on the bag itself on how to do it, and then we got the parts. Toss it outside. I got the ginkgo green umbrella here, and then I have all the other parts. I've got some basting tape, and the sailrite decal, which I don't think I'm going to put that on. Some webbing, which I think I'm going to make some other supports and modify this a little bit. And the zip that comes with it, the front, and then with some Dacron as well for the chafing. So this is that. So I'm going to read the instructions, and I'll get back to you momentarily.